In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a status in ClickUp. If you're trying to keep your workspace streamlined and organized, getting rid of unnecessary statuses can really help. Follow these steps and you'll be managing your ClickUp workspace more efficiently in no time. First, you'll need to go to clickup.com and log into your account. This is an essential step because you need to be logged in to make changes to your account settings. Once you're on the home page, look for the Spaces section, which you can find in the bottom left corner of your screen. This area is where you manage all your projects and workspaces. Choose the specific workspace where you want to make changes. After selecting it, click on the three dots icon. This icon often represents more options and it will allow you to access the settings you'll need. Next, you'll want to click on Task Statuses. Task statuses are part of the workflow in ClickUp, helping to define where a task is in your process, whether it's in progress, completed, or in any other custom state you've defined. By clicking here, you'll see all the current statuses that are defined for tasks in your chosen workspace. Once you're in the Task Statuses section, review the list and identify the status you wish to delete. After you've pinpointed the status you want to delete, click on the three dots icon next to it. This action will reveal a list of options that you can apply to that particular status. Among these options, you'll find Delete Status, which is what we're looking for. Clicking this will immediately inform the system that you intend to remove this status. Before you proceed, it's important to pause and consider any ramifications. Deleting a status can affect tasks currently assigned to that status, so ensure to deal with those before making the final deletion. Once you're ready, proceed by clicking on Delete Status. Now this next part is crucial. After you've selected Delete Status, ClickUp will prompt you to apply changes. This step is a safeguard, ensuring you're aware of the changes you're about to implement. Click on Apply Changes to proceed. Finally, to make sure everything is finalized and saved, click on Save Changes. This ensures that all your modifications are stored and the workspace updates to reflect these changes. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've successfully deleted a status in ClickUp, helping to maintain a more organized, streamlined workflow. If you ever need to add new statuses or revise workflows, you can always revisit these settings and tailor them to your project's needs. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more ClickUp tips.